Hello and welcome to this course in which you're going to be learning about how you can create the face recognition door lock using Raspberry Pi and Python. So let me show you the end result of the face recognition door lock system in action now. So I will just wave my hand in front of the motion sensor and let's see the output.
Hello there. Welcome to Mr. Khan's residency. I am Jarvis. Please show your face towards the camera to be recognized. And wait for 5 seconds.
So now I have showed it my face.
Recognizing face from database. Your face has been recognized. Door is open now. Welcome back, sir. Jarvis at your service. Please tell me, how can I help you?
Let's try waving the hand in front of it again.
Hello there. Welcome to Mr. Khan's residency. I am Jarvis. Please show your face towards the camera to be recognized. And wait for 5 seconds. Your face is not recognized. Mr. Khan will allow the access in few minutes. Kindly wait in waiting area. I'll update you in some time.
So that was a small demo of the face recognition based door lock system, and we're going to be adding a lot of features into this project. So if you are interested in learning about how you can create your own face recognition based door lock system, so what are you waiting for? Click on that enroll button and let's get started now.